What if you could write a story for your learning program in less than 1 week that would improve learner engagement, nudge behaviors, and make your presentation or training positively memorable? We want to teach you how. I'm Richard.
And I'm Austin. We run a learning design agency that has created story-based learning for the biggest names in the industry and produced massively successful learning initiatives just like this.
Or maybe it's the dozen other victims as a result of your client's willful neglect.
What if people knew what happened to Beth and they just didn't say anything? Like if a company knew that their product had killed someone and they just covered it up.
We have a problem.
But you don't have to have huge budgets or a degree in writing to be able to tell great stories. Everybody can tell stories. You just need a proven process that will continually serve as a guide for creating stories for your learning programs.
We've taken the story design process and made it into an online course with a workbook that takes you from a blank page to a story that can teach in just a few days.
You can use your finished stories for a variety of initiatives, including sales, leadership, company culture, anti-harassment, safety, DE&I, onboarding, and much, much more.
This course isn't heavy on theory. We designed a practical approach so you can quickly and easily develop stories to engage both the hearts and the minds of your learners, increase retention and performance, and help you stand out as an elite learning practitioner.
Whether you're a freelance instructional designer or you work as part of an enterprise team, if you follow the steps and activities we've created, you will be able to generate your own learning story in just a few days. Enroll in the Storytelling for Learning Designers course today.